All right, here we go. This is I'm not even sure what tape this is, Mark. How many things have you eaten so far? This is like 4 or 5?
Probably the fourth or fifth.
It's 4th or 5th, and this has got to be by far the best one. Now let's take a look first of our subject. Mark will be eating this today. This is, let me get out of the shot here in the shadow. Wait. This is a little baby dead bird. And Mark, what do you know about this species of dead bird? Anything?
I know it's semi-fresh. Looks to be a small robin. Rigor mortis has not set in yet.
And we didn't kill this thing, it was dead. And it is dead. Mark, come on! Come on, Mark, this is the best one yet, baby. Get it in there. It's just in your mouth, just chomp it.
Its feet touch my tongue. I can't. This ain't lunch. It's too hot.
Come on, Mark, man up. Now pick him up by 1 foot, dangle him right over your mouth, and wait. Just chomp him, dude. Jump him.
I can't do it, man.
Mark!
I can't do it, Bobby.
Oh
Not
my
this one.
God, that would be the best one by far.
Not this one, I know.
I just want to see you crunch down on him, and this shit come oozing out of your mouth.
I'll eat a bug, I'll eat some grass, I'll eat some weeds, whatever you want, dude.
Dude, it's fresh.
I'll even eat dirt. I know, I can't do that.
It is fresh, Mark. Let me see it. Let's get a real nice close-up of him.
Ew, look at the organs.
Oh,
They're still,
you see
you
the-
can see. No,
you see the
no
veins?
fur. It's a pinky.
Oh, look, even the beak
Look.
is soft, dude. That
Oh,
wouldn't even
yeah.
affect you.
I guess I could just swallow that.
You can swallow it.
I can't do it, dude. That's nasty, dude. I can't.
Mark, just bite his head off then. You ain't gotta eat the body. Just bite his head off.
Bite his head off?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do that.
All right. You are disgusting.
And yes, I did bite his head off. Look at the veins in his neck. Oh, look, here's his head.
Dude, you can swallow his head. Come on, that ain't gonna bother you.
Hi! Somebody bit my head off.
Dude, eat his head.
I can't, dude. No, I'm not going to eat his head. That's nasty, dude.
Mark, eat his head.
That's nasty as hell. Looks like a small fucking Thanksgiving turkey. That's so nasty,
good
dude.
stuff.
I can't.